I'm Shatta Wale, baby, and Badwam Ahosepe Media show a new world of entertainment. Yejinam party mu dana ene yenra. Yenra. The king of the streets, the original one, Charles Ni Ama, aka Shatta Wale, African dance hall king in the whole world. Oni ene na woda na nyame sha pay you. Charles, King Charles, we nipa too much because I mean I don't know how to thank you because we've been supporting our teams for a very long time. Comment cry and committee bin share. Wow, but what the papa in cry or very posty or be comment. We won't nipa nkasenti nyame hraw nipa dodo a we use sikabo mu nyina nyame fa nhye na emu fa mawo enu ti na wochina ye shia ewo Independence Square Frank bomb because right now I'm the hottest MC in town because I'm hosting the biggest event in Ghana. Hey bomb here ni pa tuwa say me wait card for watchina me process stage ni say green. We hear me for MC a obebre pa because protocol be fem no wa hwese the whole Ghana we Ghana kakra kai an kwofo ye MC kwofo kwa me tete sen kwofo kwa send omo CV kra ye ready wie yo na King Charles san kasa say debi me and me two sisters Sandy hey mumom for life is our life. So I said, yeah, utim say you initiate me akwa SMU ahwe ni we betimi asasand because made them watch na stage and so. And I've told you guys, say me no na e adwuma no. Me energy nyina yemo. Me full stage na. Let's do this together. Let's make history because from Tigo first days, big shouts to Pakwesi Akom, Shatta Wale Godfather no. Papa in it or the team will stage so cobiation. I'm on the stage in a training me. And tomorrow, yo, Papa, I'm gonna make you proud. You know what I'm saying? Hey, big shout outs to our UA 05. Or no initiative me call SMU and Sakra na BB bebe no watch na de. Sa wale anka say to ne to say Sister Sandy wo be MC mama no. King Charles, watch na. Me mo mesuma bodam. Me ma bodam kra na me ba. Nti I was say mu say Dambales. Adia and I am Adom TV. Baba hits Baba. And yeah, they by master for the love, for the support. Everything so far. This is the doing of God. Shane, I'm going to cry. Anybody abro. Yeah, corner live and Khaled or China Independence Square, 3 p.m. MDK, ska, go. Stop. Right, Lalid. What be the matter there? Mr. Perfoot and Mr. Stagger them. What now we gonna stagger them? Watch them. Oh, my G, paradise. Now them already all quiet. Rapper Holy Kokumase. It's with the Rehearsals that stand in the paradise in that stage. Abuja, watch now the whole Ghana stand still. Big Jiggy for Nigeria. Vibes scatter. Man them yo pick. I ready me. Watch now. Like tomorrow Ghana is for us because watch now so she and so TV no so we are streaming on 20 African countries man. Charlie artist no do so kwa me you got crowd as me boy. Rapida. Forget to watch now watch that map coming for a chance. So obia am exhibiting a talent. This is a big stage we artists here the man wa order for say 2 seconds grab say so. But say sooner Judine because it's the king's birthday. Because when the king calls, the movement rises. Yes, a big shout out to Sammy Flex. Braba Senior, we come in large. There's good, yes, a white. We should different color, best separate too. One shall walk with blue, black ones had wedge in her because I know your boss was special to me, your enemy. To be answer white. Na yenshia. Artist the door, so now I heard the cry say. Kevin boy cried so. Na rasa me ame papa ba kon so. Bishop, edi kind dwumadie no enu Yesu mu gem. Te wo say watchna ensure to ensure and to yejinem papa bekasa mai
Shatta Wale in advance. October Bonds Day, whoever you are now, I celebrate you. But so let me wish you in advance. October Bonds Day, I don't joke with them. And you are very special. You have a special gift. They want mempe wa one of the Americans say yeshia ebe bo honkomo. No dear, because you have a gift. The kind of gift nobody can take it out from you. You have boldness, you have confidence, you are always pushing forward. Charlie, you day form. And your God-given gifts. Will be able to influence them. So keep working, keep pushing. Shatta. Yeah. So happy birthday, Shatta Wale, in advance. October Bonds Day, whoever you are now, I celebrate you. Shatta. Charlie.
Asofo kura boom. Asofo kura actually. Now, Rehearsals according to tweet X. It's a special day today. Happy birthday to the SM General, the one and only Shatta Wale. May the Almighty bless you with more grace and answer all your heart desires, my G. My G. We turn up tomorrow. You are blessed. Now we will turn to cry the end of winner. Watch na shagzi. Oba ho cry mensu. Upon wa ubenya ka kofi because shagzi. Oh, forget it. I want to say quite a say, so your woman didn't cry out because I'm hosting the biggest show in Ghana. Like, what you talking about, bro? Watch now, a bad day. It's one more time I check now, so Madam say, my posty, SM fans, no soldiers, no flesh cage, man. Alano say, oh, now, you release a birthday song, on multimedia and your official media house. Yajia ye promote so me boa hwade bra hey big shout out to Akwasima for you are 5 on san no adwuma wo hu esemade bia ya yo on person wa maso for kra de ne ho agim big shout out to you Akwasima for boy adwuma ye pese busua ya de be cinema rehearsals. Oh yeah, na rehearsals because it is a big event, like what I'm talking about. Like, yeah, you gotta take it easy. But on that note, so the darling factor, I'm about last week and now finals, so. I was here, obi afakano. Na share video in my ba. Who say menuano aba. But that show is big. For sure, a cost to Ghana be saying a card so. Just Adom TV pet your wadoye the darling factor. Me nua be ma bra what be me bra remomon se momon wona fa ka no hey and I remember I channel Akwesimo Independence Square what congratulations.
Thank you
baby aboko
me Adom
hey there be the kind of quick aid bus be chair you be see ehun senchane a ye be chair
okay why na say we boss no elephant betway why na ye big horse no why na ejina ho no ye back in yaw why na ejina ho ye talk no shout out to mana ya ye mo people no me enka de ye wo ye side check no nim se makan mu be di matem na nso me masema no se na ye boa no
na side check de obedi atema don't you tell me what to forget no dent me no and now the car na ko now so representing him kwa
representing Eastern and Accra
now ko e almost the same me say me who welcoming and now nyanko e
nyanko
eh Crackrom say yeah, but crackrom da be na person homecoming no ko fie no mo ka no.
Yes, sisi ade enyan ready e ba. Me say atuma pujafo say omo twem me na me ba.
Montem puchu ya de car eh be fio. Wow. But you may want to watch this because the performance no ahune pankasa hwebra sisi am.
Rap and talk like I'm a mujasi, and what I would dinner, come on, Damika, me home for me, what a woman maintain as a bamba. We hear by who to bamba. Mina gave you a see a fanadenta. Wonder, was you on one Panazar? Boys are brought to Mujimu Franca, for last to Evanazanka. When you are back, you know what you think of you know, just a yanka, in a chin back, who's the missing one to move them away. I'm a home from the down go there. Who's the routine? I have to be a track. Me family last time I walk in the track. What? Stand like a soldier, fight the power, count them in afraid. Tell Babylon them say me not afraid. 1, 2, 3, when the band will be here. What? Too many Charlie. What I should I won't pass it. The crowd will be party when you be at the room. Yeah, Apollo Computer and the Majimica, and on mom's a mess of my yika me fiati ma proja muhu bida dia me ba yene no muhu bida sha me fan for mo ya ji o dia ti ma proja for mo ya ji double o di mo fa me opd jodu obo asidani it's a big chance to come for instance I me rap on it me bu apanda me bu ba o ba ti kilistan jodu obo asidani ge di sha sa wo ha te na wo nyadia ma me te take na logia sa wo ha te na wo nyadia ma me te take na logia 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 me backstage no and now we ask e can say picture am say we create asabi we do the King Kong it me balance man no why you ready ana me say why you ready ana you dey say we say I sit down na now we have what King Kong 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 why you ready young quack Poco Lex Poco Lex 1 2 yana gwara
back in Korea, me because me my kokota kona mijina hadara. Oh wow, man! Congratulations. Last year, dear be a manager home. Unu nua no ba interview no. Won say mo nua ba ko visually impaired. But omo nyina ekọ no na wo saw guy na inside the call.
Yeah, na we have.
Yeah, madam for no ho.
Yeah, madam for no. Me na dey grow.
E wo house on here. Okay. Say my we so be down for the.
Oh, be down.
Oh, that's beautiful. So is this your brand? How do you run industry name?
Mbachani.
Ye hu ya na ye hu.
Mbachani.
Nya so che be hu no nunum ko achi waja afru. Ye be ze ye hu ze wo ye ne sen di.
Say ya.
Say team di ni so bi em kire o mo hia wa ya pedwa ho mama fans amame.
E di ni ye KWAMECYPHA. Kwame Cypher ni di ni no.
Watcha. Aya, watcha. We are watching ya. Apedwa so de unu ya na ti we PR so free akwamfie. So mu nyina be hia e wo honom. Wow, what does this mean to you? This win. Then the minimum.
Oh. E mini ade be bread mama because enye easy.
Great.
Say ube win car and I say ube win competition and I sound so am exposure. Until me hu ni say e so me bu bebre and men sound so nyede. Ensuwa.
And I can maybe say why are you ready for the industry? Because after this win also say Juma da wabeti so pressure or why are you ready say industrial room like you are fully prepared?
I
love that. It's then our culture organizers, the sponsors, Darling Lemon, Adom TV, and Adom.
Emeka achira mo ni say nyame enhira omo na enye omo a nka ba na me na mabonten ho nka Ghana fo obi ani mponi mi say ye obi wo efe nko Kwame Cypher na meda Dan Lemon for so ase
great
say omo this opportunity we
manu no bi hotel opa o
nom de manom
adende manom
na mi nhira mo bebri say omo this akonya we aba say enso yembe showcase ye ho na de me dabia na say omo te say akokọ bon kokroko a na te say Kwame Cypher me na me nhira wo na me da wo mase
great yada CP nti we already say okofia na yeso aka ho de cameras Eddie once again big congratulations to you. Yeah, the best see meeting the sister Sandy 2 times a guy watching na yebeshia our Independence Square 3 p.m. the King eba full stage 10 p.m. Babrantem be show Shatta Wale and then okay what you saying bro. Watch na me na me host the biggest show in Ghana. Shatta Wale tibeshia the biggest SM diva or girls perfect. Yebeshia ewo hono. Mabusua big shout outs to you BB. Biggest shout outs to you. Thank you so much. It is Sarah Pare, Richmond, OPD, Thomas, Frank, Isaac, Makeup, Eugenia, Baden, Lizzie. Oh, big up yourself, Obed, Eddie, Henry, my boys, I05. Shout outs to you. Tell you, Ochna, Shiadia, I was here started celebration, Husa. Mommy birthday. Birthday song go cry, will be hit song. Hey, Radina go. Hey, yeah.